Hello children, we are going to enjoy the chapter Factor Tree. Factor tree is a method used to find out the prime factors of a number. What are prime factors? Factors of a number which are prime numbers are called prime factors. Let us go through this sum and see how a factor tree is used to find out the prime factors of a number. The sum is draw a factor tree of 60. First you write 60 on the top. Now you divide the number 60 by the prime numbers. So we take the first prime number, that is 2. 60 is an even number, so it can be divided by 2. If we divide 60 by 2, we get 30. So 2 into 30 is equal to 60. Here we split 60 into 2 and 30. We will draw two lines like the branches of a tree below 60 and write 2 and 30. Now see, here 2 is a prime number and 30 is a composite number. We will not break the prime number, but we will break the composite number 30. In the same way, again we will take the first prime number 2. 30 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. If we divide 30 by 2, we get 15. So 30 is equal to 2 into 15. We break 30 into 2 and 15. Again we draw two lines below 30 and write 2 and 15. Here in this step, 2 is a prime number and 15 is a composite number. We will not break the prime number, but we will break the composite number 15. Again we will start dividing by the first prime number 2. But 15 is not divisible by 2. So we take the next prime number, that is 3. 15 is divisible by 3. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. We draw two lines below 15 and write 3 and 5. Now you can see children, we have two numbers left, 3 and 5. Both 3 and 5 are prime numbers. There are no more composite numbers and we will not break the prime numbers. So our factor tree ends here. So you can see 2, 2, 3, 5, 15 and 30 are factors of 60. But the circled numbers 2, 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So 2, 2, 3 and 5 are prime factors of 60. Let us go through another sum. The sum is find prime factorization of 180 by means of a factor tree. First, we will draw the factor tree of 180. We write 180 on the top. We will take the first prime number, that is 2. 180 is divisible by 2 as it is an even number. If we divide 180 by 2, we get 90. So 2 into 90 is equal to 180. We draw two lines below 180 and write 2 and 90. Here in this step, 2 is a prime number and 90 is a composite number. we will not break the prime number, but we will break the composite number 90. Again, we start dividing 90 by the first prime number 2. 90 is divisible by 2. If we divide 90 by 2, we get 45. So 2 into 45 is equal to 90. We draw two lines below 90 and break it into 2 and 45. Now, in this step, 2 is a prime number and 45 is a composite number. So, we'll split 45. We start dividing 45 by the first prime number 2. But 45 is not an even number. So, it is not divisible by 2. So, we take the next prime number, that is 3. 45 is divisible by 3. If we divide 45 by 3, we get 15. So 3 into 15 is equal to 45. We split 45 into 3 and 15. We draw two lines below 45 and write 3 and 15. Again, in this step, 3 is a prime number and 15 is a composite number. So, we start dividing 15 by the first prime number 2. 15 is not divisible by 2. We take the next prime number 3. 15 is divisible by 3. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So, we draw two lines below 15 and write 3 and 5. So you see children, we are left with two numbers 3 and 5. Both 3 and 5 are prime numbers. There are no more composite numbers and we will not split the prime numbers. So your factor tree ends here. But in this sum, you have been asked to find out the prime factorization of 180. To do this, you have to do one more step. You have to write 180 as a product of its prime factors. If we look at the factor tree, we can see that the circle numbers 2, 2, 3, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. And so, they are the prime factors of 180. So, prime factorization of 180 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now, see children, we have not done this step in the previous sum because there you were asked only to draw the factor tree. You were not asked to find out the prime factorization of 60. Here you have been asked to find out the prime factorization of 180. So we write 180 as a product of its prime factors. I hope you have understood these two sums. Now that's all children. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.